Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, we have a special collaboration. It is called Tablescape Tuesdays and it is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This collab is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures, Courtney. Now we are called the Ladies of Elegance, and I'm going to be linking our channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you are not going to be disappointed. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this cozy table for two. Now, while I'm decorating this table, let me go ahead and tell you about a few collabs. Now, every second Saturday of the month, the Ladies of Elegance hosts Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the only thing you need to do is to decorate any area of your home and upload the video. So let's move on to the next one. So, tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Decorate a Lantern Christmas Edition, and I am so excited about that one. Let's move on to the next one. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is one of my favorite collab, guys. I want you to share this on your platform, in your videos, because everybody who doesn't know needs to know about Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you who support us either by joining in the collabs or by watching. You don't know how much we appreciate you, and we're so thankful and grateful. Now, we are so grateful to have found such a supportive group of content creators who can come in this collab and show up and show out. Your decor ideas and the talent that you have, especially in decorating, shows your artistic side, and I am so blessed to have you in this collab. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have on the table. So we have the chargers and the plates that came from the Dollar Tree. The salad plate on top of that was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army, Now the water glasses came from the Dollar Tree, but the champagne glasses, those were thrifted items and they did come from Home Goods. So now we move on over to the utensils. So these beautiful utensils, the flatware, came from Aldi. I absolutely love these utensils. They are so trending right now. Now, let's see. So all of the decor on the back of the table, we have some DIYs, and then we have some thrifted items. And put all together, it looks absolutely fabulous. Those candlesticks, by the way, they sell them at the Dollar Tree. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? clicking that like button and for watching the video. This helps us to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I finish decorating this table. Okay, so we are lighting the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Courtney from Amethyst Adventures for hosting this collaboration with me. So I'm thinking this scenery came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.